everybody. As you can see, I'm still stuck as a drawing. I don't want to talk about it. Yesterday, we started talking about equivalent fractions, and we made some equivalent fractions by cutting up some fraction strips. Today, we're going to be doing that only backwards. We're not going to be looking for the equivalent fractions. We have the equivalent fractions, and we're going to try to make our model match this equivalent fraction. So we have our 1/2 here, and we want to cut this pan of brownies so that now we have 6 pieces to make up our 1 whole, 6 pieces in our 1 whole pan, and 3 of them are shaded. So how many times am I going to need to cut this pan of brownies in order to get 6 pieces in all? Well, right now I have 2 pieces in all, and if I cut it once, let me just draw a picture here. If I cut it once, I'll have 4. All right? So if I cut it twice, I'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. So while it's cut in half, every time I cut it across, I'm adding 2 new pieces. So let's cut it twice. This shows me that it'll give me 6 pieces, my little sketch here. And let's make sure that it matches up, that we have 3 pieces shaded if we do that. So I'm going to cut this into thirds going across. Okay, let's check. Have I made 3, 6? And we'll check off our 2. Do I have 3 pieces now highlighted? 1, 2, 3. Yep, check. Have I made it so that 1 whole pan of brownies is 6 pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Check. I've made a model that shows that 1/2 is equivalent to 3/6. My next one has 4/8. And if I keep following my pattern, I bet if I cut it a third time, so I did 2 chops, that got me to 6. I bet if I cut it a third time, that would give me 2 more pieces, and now I would have 8 pieces. Let's check and make sure here. So now I've cut it 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's try that. Let's cut this 4 times to give me 8 pieces and see if I've made 4/8. 1, 2, 3, 4 are highlighted. Check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 pieces are in 1 whole pan of brownies. Today you're going to be doing a little bit of this, a little bit of finding equivalent fractions, but all of it you're going to be cutting up pans of brownies, or whatever it is you choose to imagine, horizontally. You're going to be cutting them across to make these pieces. Look for the patterns that you can find, just like what we did here. Look for patterns 4, 6, and 8 as you work to find these equivalent fractions and prove that 1/2 is equivalent to 4/8, or whatever fraction you're going to be working on. I think I'm going to go take a nap. Being a drawing is actually really tiring. I feel kind of bad for it. Good luck. Wake me up if you need anything.